Hi friends, latest GK and current affairs. Zero coupon bonds. A zero coupon bond is a debit security instrument that does not pay interest. Zero coupon bonds trade at deep discounts, offering full face value. Profits at maturity. The difference between the purchase price of a zero coupon bond and the par value indicates the investor's return. Global Climate Risk Index 2021, released by German Watch. The index analyzes quantified impacts of extreme weather events, both in terms of fatalities as well as economic losses that occurred. According to the index, India was the seventh worst hit country due to extreme weather. In 2020, India was ranked 55th in the index. Martyrs Day 2021. Martyrs Day, also known as Shahid Divas, on the 73rd death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji, who is popularly known as Father of the Nation in India, was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 23rd March 1948. Thus, to pay respect and honor those who lost their lives for India's independence, Martyrs Day is observed every year across India. Notably, Martyrs Day is also observed in India on March 23rd to pay respect to Bhagat Singh, Shivaram Rajguru, and Sukhdev Thapar, who were hanged death on March 23rd in 1931. Monthly gross revenue GST collections crossed 1 lakh crore mark for 3 months in a row. Capital expenditure for April to December 2020 stands at 3.14 lakh crore, which is 24% higher than corresponding period of previous year. India had been a outlier in its global innovation performance. India must aspire in increases its gross expenditure on R&D from around 1.5% to 3% of GDP. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.